Hi friends, welcome to my channel Tradomatics Pre-Market Index Analysis. Let's come to the point. Nifty comes to its near resistance that 11,300. So my observation in the present scenario of Nifty is if it sustain above 11,300 to 11,365, it will try for range bound in between 11,500 to 11,800 zone. Otherwise, it will try to range bound in between 11,000 to 11,300. Let's come to Nifty chart. Finally, Nifty reached near its recent resistance that 11,300. So for now, if Nifty sustain above 11,300, it's likely move for 11,500 to 11,700. Otherwise, if it resist near 11,300 to 11,365, it will try to reverse again from 11,000. Let's come to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty closed near its resistance zone that 21,200 to 21,500. So for now, if Bank Nifty sustain above 21,500, then it's likely try for 22,000 to 22,800 zone again. Else, if it slips below 21,200 again, it's try to maintain a range bound move between 20,800 to 21,500. Let's come to Bank Nifty chart. Bank Nifty closed near 21,500. So for now, as per chart formation, for Bank Nifty, it will try for 22,000 and the next resistance zone are 22,200, 22,600 and 22,800. Otherwise, if it breaks 21,200, then it's likely move in between 20,800 to 21,500 zone. As per my exploration, there have some trading opportunity for index future. For Nifty future, there have a crucial resistance for Nifty future that 11,520. To achieve this resistance, there are two more resistances, that are 11,365 and 11,439. They have a crucial support for Nifty future that 10,965. To achieve this support, there have two reversal supports, that are 11,000 11,179 and 11,089. Same as for Bank Nifty future, there have a crucial resistance for Bank Nifty future that 22,472. To achieve this resistance, there are two more resistances, that are 22,000 and 22,265. Same as for Bank Nifty future, there have a crucial support for Bank Nifty future that 21,000. To achieve this support, there have two reversal supports, that are 21,489 and 21,186. As per my exploration, there have some volatile stocks for intraday trading with trading range and midpoint. So what is the trading range and what is the midpoint? If a stock sustain above midpoint and it increases volume with price, then the upper range is denotes for higher resistance to achieve with support of midpoint. Same as if a stock sustain below its midpoint with increases volume, then lower range is denotes for reversal support with resistance as midpoint. VBL, that LTP is 710. Its upper range is 755 and lower range is 690. And its midpoint is 725. So if it sustain above its midpoint, that 725, with increases volume, then it likely move for its higher resistance, that 755. Same as if it sustain below its midpoint, that 725, with increases volume, then it's likely reverse from its lower range, that 690. You can note down every stock's range with midpoint for intraday trading. VBL, that LTP is 710. Dalmia Bharat, that LTP is 775. LTTS, that LTP is 1641. AU Bank, that LTP is 667. Coromandel, that LTP is 801. Bharat Forge, that LTP is 454. Aarti Industry, that LTP is 1021. HDFC, that LTP is 1681. HDFC AMC, that LTP is 2251. ICICI Bank, that LTP is 363. You can note down every stock's LTP with midpoint and trading range for intraday trading. you can mail me on my mail ID, or you can join my